Hello everyone, it's me Roshan Vikram Thapa. Today I'm gonna talk about how to fix the Wi-Fi issues in your laptop, whether it is Windows 10 or Windows 11. I'm gonna show you in Windows 11 PC, but it is the same steps for Windows 10 as well. Sometimes you may not be able to connect to the Wi-Fi because when you go to the connection settings, you cannot see any Wi-Fi available. So let's try through the normal process to connect to the Wi-Fi. We normally go to the connection symbols on your computer to find the available Wi-Fi to connect. So when you click here, see here we cannot see any Wi-Fi available, or we cannot see the Wi-Fi symbol here. So this can be because the Wi-Fi might be disabled in the network connection settings. So let's try going to the network connection settings and see if it is disabled or not. So to go to the network connection settings, we can simply go through the run. So open the run app. You can also press Windows and R to open the run application and type ncpa ncpa.cpl and enter or click on OK to open the network connections settings. And let's check whether the Wi-Fi is disabled here or not. We can right click on the Wi-Fi. See here it is enabled, so there's no any issues with this. So let's try click on connecting and disconnecting here. So we can try this. So let's try to connect, but still we cannot see any Wi-Fi available or Wi-Fi symbol at all. So now what we can do is we can check whether the WLAN autoconfig is disabled, or it is disabled, or it's not running in the services. So we can go to the services page simply by typing services in the Windows, the search services to open the services app, or we can go through the run as well. So open the run command, open the run app and type services.msc. Click on OK. Now try to find the WLAN autoconfig. So we scroll down, so to see whether it is disabled or it is not running. So we can see WLAN autoconfig, it is being disabled here and it is not running. So we can see what does WLAN autoconfig do. We can see the description as well here. What does it do? So let's try making it automatic and let's try it running. So to make it running and make it automatic, we can go to the right, we can right click and go to the properties, and here it is disabled, so we can change this to automatic through stat of type. So we can select automatic and click on apply. Then here you can see the service status is stopped, though it is automatic, so you cannot see the Wi-Fi still. So let's try making it run. So we can click on start to make it running and click on OK. Now you can see there is a Wi-Fi connections available and my computer is already connected to the Wi-Fi, and you can see the available Wi-Fi as well. So this can be the reasons in your computer as well. Sometimes you may not be able to connect to the computer, and you can simply follow the similar steps as mine to fix these issues. So that's all for today. So if you do like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel as well. Thank you.